The 14th of March, this day in science has a unique importance. On March 14, 1879, the famous theoretical physicist, Albert Einstein, was born. He had a struggling childhood. In studies, he performed well in physics and mathematics, but failed badly in non-science subjects. Though this genius had faced a hard time in early life, and many of his efforts ended in failure, but he kept struggling. When there is a will, there is a way. In 1905, Einstein published his first paper on the photoelectric effect. In 1921, he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics for his research work on the photoelectric effect. He was also the one who put forward the concept of special theory of relativity. Special theory of relativity explains that how the space and time are linked for objects that move at a consistent speed in a straight line. One of its most famous aspects concerns about objects moving at the speed of light. His energy mass equivalence formula is the most famous equation in the world. The date of March 14th is also unique in the sense that, on this date in 2018, Stephen Hawking died. Stephen Hawking was one of the most famous physicists of modern times. Hawking worked on the physics of black holes and shook the entire world in amazement. He put forward the concept of Hawking radiation. Emitting Hawking radiation caused black holes to evaporate. He also wrote many best-selling books, the most famous of which was A Brief History of Time. Another interesting fact about the 14th of March is that it is celebrated as Pi Day. Pi is the most mysterious number in nature. Pi is the ratio of the circumference of any circle to the diameter of that circle. Regardless of the circle's size, the ratio will always be equal to pi. In decimal form, the value of pi is approximately 3.141. But pi is an irrational number, which means that its decimal form neither ends nor becomes repetitive. Pi is used in numerous real-world applications. It is used to calculate the volume of a sphere or area of a circle. It was also involved in calculations which took NASA's rover to Mars and allowed its safe landing on the Red Planet. And how can one forget GPS, which also uses pi? For more content, please follow and subscribe to our page and channel.